Ever feel like there aren't enough hours in the day? You're not alone. We all want more time, which is why it's funny how we often forget the one thing that's already saving us hours every day. It's everywhere, but we don't see it. I'm talking about AI, not the robot uprising, but the good AI that's already here and in our devices. Think Siri or Google Assistant. These smart assistants save us time with reminders, scheduling, even doing math. All you have to do is ask. This is just the tip of the iceberg. I can think of at least 5 ways AI is already saving us time, and I bet you can name more. Let's get started with personalization. How many hours do you lose searching for things to watch, listen to, or buy? With AI getting smarter at recommending what we like, be it on shopping sites, music apps, or video platforms, we save a ton of time without even realizing it. Next, automation. Think about all the repetitive tasks AI can handle for us, like sorting our emails, autofilling our data, or filtering out spam. This saves us from getting lost in the endless loop of manual labor and lets us focus on more important things. But it gets better with decision support. When it comes to areas like finance, health, or studying, AI can give us quick insights that help us make better decisions faster. For example, AI-powered study tools can analyze a student's learning patterns and provide personalized recommendations on how to approach studying more efficiently. Or in finance, AI algorithms can quickly scan through thousands of data points to provide investment insights that humans might miss. Plus, AI-driven chatbots are great for quick answers, freeing up our time for more complex tasks. That's not all. AI is also a productivity booster. Tools that use AI help us write, summarize, or organize our work faster, saving us countless hours. For instance, AI-powered writing assistants can help us craft emails or even write code faster and with fewer errors. AI-driven design tools can also help us create visuals that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also on brand, saving us hours of design time. All this adds up to real-time savings. And the best part, this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, it's becoming faster, more accurate, and more accessible, which means more time-saving potential for all of us. AI isn't about replacing us. It's about giving us back our most valuable resource, time. So the next time you feel like there aren't enough hours in the day, remember to appreciate the AI that's already working hard to give you back some of your time. And now, I want to hear from you. Where does AI save you the most time? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-digest tech content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.